Hi, I'm Melina Parasso, and welcome to Expert Village. So for this next step, we're going to add transfer paper to our shirt. So what I've done is I've printed out a design. First I drew it, then I scanned it into my computer, and then I colored it with Photoshop. You don't have to do this. You can just scan a regular picture and do a black and white transfer, or you can take a picture off the internet. You can do anything you want as far as getting a picture, and then you print it on transfer paper, iron-on transfer paper, and you can usually get this at an office supply store, or you can get it at dharmatrading.com. That's where I go. It's a really fantastic website. And you just print it right out of your laser printer. Once it's printed, you trim the edges like I just did, make sure there's no excess, and then you plan out where it is that you want to have your image. So I've got one main image, and then I have a few little matching images. I have some little stars here that I'm going to put somewhere on my shirt. And you want to make sure when you're buying transfer paper that you're buying the right kind of transfer paper. Standard transfer paper is not going to print on colored fabrics, or it's going to print on it, but you're going to see the fabric through the paper. It's not opaque. So it's really good for printing on white things. Then you also have transfer paper that's specially made for printing on stretchy fabrics. Like, I can get away with this because it's a t-shirt and I'm putting it right here in the front, and it's kind of baggy, at least for me, so it's not going to be a big deal. It's not going to stretch too much. But if I were going to print this on something that was more form-fitting and stretchy, I would get a special stretchy transfer paper. Besides that, they also do have transfer paper that is opaque. So if you wanted to print on a black shirt, or you wanted to print on a red shirt or anything like that, you would get the opaque transfer paper. The next step that you're going to do after you've planned out where you want all of your images is you're going to turn them over.